Hello guys, good afternoon. Okay, we are here now in the front of Honeywell Fahrenheit series. The model number is IFP 2100, Parallel Control Panel Communicator from Honeywell. I will teach you how to simulate and activate the fire alarm devices using panel simulations. Okay, so now we will activate the manual call point using panel simulation. In loop 1, MCP, the address is number 2. So this manual call point, we will activate this one using panel simulation. Okay, first you have to refresh the panel by pressing left arrow, and then you go to right arrow for login. So you will see you are now logged in. You press enter. Okay, and you will see the admin 1 and 2, and then you go to user. Okay, you press enter, and then after that you go to installer, which is number 2. You go to up arrow. After that, you are now in the installer, press enter, and the password. We have a 7 digits password, and then enter. You go to arrow down, point function. Okay, so this is panel 2 wherein the loop 1 is located. So you press enter, you're in the panel 2, you see the cursor there. Okay, meaning you are in the panel 2. So press enter. Okay, so you go to number control input, number 6, input and output control. Okay, so you go to press enter. So you go to loop 1, device number 2. So this is loop 1, built-in, 97 is built-in. So this is loop 1, press enter. Okay, so what is that module or sensor? So MCP and monitor and control relay module is in the module. We will consider a module here. Okay, press enter. And what device number? Okay, to activate. So we will press number 2. Okay, so press number 2, inactive. So we will press. So right now, I put the module manual call point in loop 1. Okay, the status is normal. The address is number 2. So I press the enter to generate an alarm. So we will see. Okay, right now, there's alarm in loop 1 manual call point, control room. Okay, and this is the location in our MIMI panel. You are here. Okay, so we will see if this is activated. So you will see that this is steady light. Okay, so if this is simulation, the color of the device is green, but this is the steady light. But this is the actual activation. The color is steady red color. So this is how to simulate and activate the device using the control panel through simulation. I hope you will learn something. Later on, I will teach you more, and we will do some other type of device simulation. So this is stop for now. Okay, so you can silence the alarm. And you can reset the alarm also. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.